Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is this really cute purple look that I decided to do. I don't know if I want to call this a prom look or not, because I feel like it's a little not prom enough, but it very much could work as prom. So anyways, if you guys think you would be interested in seeing how I created this look, then make sure you go ahead and keep watching. So to begin, we're going to prime with our Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. You know what, I think I used golden on my other eye, but it's alright. We're going to be using our Juvias Nubian Royal palette. I used this palette on my channel a while ago. I think when this palette had first dropped. And I think I told y'all the colors were a little patchy, but I don't know. I kind of got them to, I did get them to blend really good today. So for our crease, we're going to be taking this dark shade up here. Believe it or not, I'm still trying to figure this camera out because it looks good on my skin, but the settings I have it on now, when I hold my products up to the thing, it's like they're just too light. And I'm stopping my colors like right here because we're going to go in with this lighter shade anyway. So just for the need to point that out. I'm going to take my Vivid Pressed Pigments and eyeshadow palettes from Colored Rain. And I'm going to apply this shade up here in the top. I'm sorry I'm hopping to so many palettes, but also to deepen my crease, I took my 35B palette from Morphe and I took the shade called Sky. So this dark purple right here. And I put that in my crease as well. I'm gonna take a very small bit of this pink, also from my 35B palette. I'm going to tap that at the very top. I'm going to take the exact same concealer from earlier. My computer is so loud. I'm going to take the shade Golden actually, because I think I used Butterscotch earlier. Same Too Faced concealer, but in the shade Golden. And I'm going to just tap like a very little bit right there. Okay, so after we do that, I'm gonna just take the brush. I'm gonna take the E17 that I put the very dark color down with. I'm not gonna pick up any more color, just gonna use what's already on here to blend away this harsh line. For the lid, we are gonna take the same Nubian palette from Juvias, and I'm gonna be mixing this very light pastel purple with this purple from the Colored Rain palette. And to apply this, I'm using a E22 from Morphe. So I'm gonna just tap into the dark color, light color, dark color, light color, and just kind of mix them and go right in with it. I just pray that y'all cannot hear this computer because it's literally so loud. But I just did a thin line of liner using the NYX matte liquid liner. And then we're going to take this glitter right here. This is what it looks like. It doesn't have a name. And I'm going to go in very lightly because I don't want to do like a full glitter cut crease. Or no, it's not a cut crease, but a full glitter lid. I just want to add like a little bit of sparkle up there. I don't think I have the match to this lash because I just realized I grabbed it and there's not a match beside it. So I found one that looks pretty similar. So we just gonna hope that it looks good when I put it on. Do they look that different? I can't tell. I probably shouldn't say anything. Y'all probably wouldn't notice. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. You guys know pretty much what I use on my face already if you've been tuned in to my last few videos. So we're just gonna go ahead and hop straight into that part. My face is already moisturized. I'm gonna go ahead and prime. So I did not go into full detail on my face in this video because I feel like it's getting so repetitive because I do the same thing in every video. So I'm going to link my everyday makeup routine in the cards, and I'll also link it down below in the description box if you guys want a detailed skin routine. Or not a skin routine, but like a makeup routine. Skin, makeup, skin. Y'all get what I'm saying. My foundation routine. But for the waterline, we're going to take indigo. I used to have an indigo eyeliner. I don't know where it's at. But this hair get in my mouth one more time. I'm going to snatch this motherfucker go. We're going to take the Vivid Brights palettes, and we're going to take the shade Yacht Life, which is this shade down here, and we're going to actually put that in my waterline. To do that, we're going to be using the M213, which is like this mini concealer brush. For some reason, navy blue has become my new favorite color to wear. Like, it looks so pretty on my skin tone. My girl. Maybe because it's close to black, but it ain't necessarily black. Because I used to wear black all the time. But I bought these navy blue Nike leggings. And I didn't steal, but I wore my boyfriend's matching jacket. Because he had a Nike jacket that matched my leggings. And I was wearing it. I'm like, this is cute. And then I literally went and ordered a whole navy blue outfit. And ever since then, I just been so in love with navy blue. But I ain't gonna steal the jacket though. He don't know it yet. But it's already mine. Using another M506, I'm going to take the shade Neo Blue. I don't know if it's a typo. I think it should say Neon Blue. I'm not really sure. But this color right here, I'm going to smoke that out. And at first, I was going to keep like a clean waterline and just do some lashes. But I feel like you can't tell it's blue for real. Like a regular eyeliner. This is so random, but I had a client ask me how I got into makeup. And honestly, makeup just came natural to me. I really think it's just the artistic side of me, because I had an uncle. Unfortunately, he passed before I was born. But he was like an artist and an architect and like everything. Like my brother can draw. My sister can draw. Like, well, she can't. Well, all of us really can draw. Like, my brother can really draw, but like me and my sister, we can kind of draw. But my brother can like really draw. And he's into like designing websites and logos and stuff. And y'all don't know, I never said it, but a long time ago, let me see if I can pull one up. A long time ago, I used to make logos for people, and that's how I used to make my money. Hold on. Okay, I had to go through my Instagram archives to find the pictures, but oh, I'll be telling you about this chair. Look, so this is like one of the drawings. It ain't gonna focus, is it? That's like one of, y'all can kind of see it. That's one of the drawings that I did a long time ago, and I literally used to just draw for fun. Like, I did it for fun, and then I had a whole Instagram page where I would post my drawings, and then I started getting a bunch of people asking me like, oh, do you make cartoons? Do you make cartoons? Whatever. And so I started doing it for people, but I started off just drawing like Insta famous people at the time and would tag them in it with hopes that they would see it and they would repost it, and they always did. And that page like had like 5,000 followers. I still have the login for it, but I deactivated it, and I don't even know if it's still there because Instagram might have deleted it by now because it's been so long since it's been active. But yeah, like that's how I started off. I started off drawing, and then I just kind of fell into doing makeup. Like, I don't really have any inspiration or anything as to me getting into makeup. I just one day found a palette and started doing makeup, and I've been into it ever since. So it just kind of came to me. So I guess it's what the Lord had in store for me, because that's literally the only answer I have. Like, it literally just came naturally, no inspiration. Now, Leah J was my very first favorite beauty YouTuber. I used to watch her all the time, y'all. But yeah, she was my favorite YouTuber. But as far as me actually getting into makeup, I was into makeup before I even found Leah J. I think I found Leah J after, yeah, I found her after I really got into makeup, because I didn't even get on YouTube. Do y'all remember back in the day, YouTube was for music videos? Like, me personally, I only watched YouTube for music videos. I didn't even know people was making careers and stuff off YouTube until later on. That's so crazy to think back on. I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes, and I might add my bottom lashes. I was supposed to do glitter at the bottom, but I ended up putting glitter at the top, and I don't know if it'll be a little too much to do glitter at the top and bottom. So we're gonna try something real different. I have this indigo, it's called Lonely in Blue lip liner from Sistar Cosmetics. Y'all, Sistar Cosmetics sent me all of their lip liners, and I don't know if y'all remember me saying it, but a while ago I was telling y'all their lip liners are my favorite because they're so creamy and they just glide on like butter, and they have so many colors. Like, when y'all ever seen a blue lip liner? Y'all probably say all the time, since we see them all the time. It's just me. So this is, oh, it look a little bit, well, I'm about to swatch it. That right there, well, I'll just show y'all gonna see it on my lip at this point, okay? On my lips. Okay, y'all, I'm finna call Shan. Hopefully she answers because she just had her daughter, and I'm so happy for her. But I'm gonna FaceTime her and see if she can tell me what to do with this, because I don't know what to do. She probably gonna tell me to do purple if she answers. Let's just press she to do. She didn't answer. So how about later on that day, after I took my makeup off, I realized that my call didn't even go through because my storage was low on my phone. Like, it didn't even ring. It made the noise like it was ringing, but it went in as a canceled call. But it's alright because we still figured it out. Y'all, when I tell y'all Shan know how to do an ombre lip and she know what color match anything, like, y'all, I don't be knowing how to do that. Like, I don't know anything about wearing lip colors. Because y'all know for the longest I hated color on my lip, but now I'm just seeing, my lip should not be this crispy. I'm seeing how cute it is, but I don't know what color to put in the center. Or would it be cute if I just did like a clear gloss and left it like this? I ain't got no help. Okay, so I really don't have anything that would match except for this lip gloss that I literally always use anytime I use purple, which is Orchid from Fearless Faces. This gonna have to work. I don't know. It's like, it's cute, but I just cannot get into this color. Like, ugh, it's too much. The lip liner was enough. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Okay, guys, so we are done with this look. Let me know how you guys feel about it down below. Let me know if y'all like this lip. I mean, it matches, but like I said, I don't know. I could do a color lip liner, but when it comes to some full-blown color on my lips, I don't know, I don't like it. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are, of course, subscribed. And make sure you guys turn on your post notifications because I feel like a lot of y'all aren't getting notified when I upload. So make sure you have your bell turned on, and I will see you guys in my next video.